So the Cardinals got the Seahawks. And like I said, all during the summer, and after we drafted Kyler Murray, I said this team will be lucky to win 6 games.
You guys have been talking about this, and
this is a 2-year rebuild.
Let you talk about it because John Party, who's
and
today,
just
medication,
as I thought, that's how it's working out.
He had the worst flatulence he ever smelled. So there you go. Have at it.
I thought we'd be 1-3 after the first 4 weeks, and so I'm close. We're 0-2-1, but Kyler Murray's making lots of mistakes. I mean, yeah, he's done some things, but you know, it's like last week.
Now that we had enough, and next week
they were in the red zone, and he scrambles to the right, and he ends up taking a sack by going out of bounds, losing 3 yards instead of throwing the ball away. I mean, he's out of the box, throw the ball away. But no, what's he do? He steps out of bounds, lost 3 yards and a sack.
I've been looking on YouTube, and I find it because I want to hear it, but I can't. It's like he erased everything. You can still buy it on Amazon.
He's got talent.
Or CD, but it's kind of expensive.
I mean, we all see that, but he's still making lots of rookie mistakes, taking sacks that he shouldn't be taking. Where's the run game? I mean,
I think it was just an excuse because he wanted to do.
You know, we're going to be lucky to win 6 games.
He came up with this character. It's a little weird, wasn't it?
I predict this game tonight. I mean, this weekend, it's going to be a regular Seahawks Cardinals game. It's going to be weird. It's going to be physical, and anything can happen in our games, which usually they do.
They just asked him about, hey, or the return of Chris Gaines, you know, for the 20-year anniversary, and he said no.
But yeah, we're looking at $100 million under the cap next year, which is another thing that I kept telling everyone why this is a 2-year rebuild and why they will give Kingsbury at least 2 years. With $40-something million going to quarterbacks coming off a dead cap this year. Hopefully, Keim can rebuild this team like he did the last time, you know, by starting drafting Carson Palmer was a start of the first team that Keim really built. You know, and that team won 50 games. And the last 2 years of that tenure was injury-riddled 7 and 8 win seasons, and still won 50 games. So next year, Cardinal fans will have a lot better team as far as talent goes, with $100 million to spend. But so far this year, it's going just like I thought. Wins will be rare. Minus the Panthers game, I mean, we've been competitive and in games. We just don't know how to win them yet. So, I know a lot of people have been asking why I'm not making videos and stuff. And, you know, it is what it is. When your channel gets abused constantly, it's kind of hard to make videos all the time. So, but I'm not going anywhere. I still watch other people's videos and keep up with their little silly drama. So Cardinals are going as planned as far as I'm concerned. And, you know, I just hope that they take this NFC West serious and come out and give it a little something extra against these NFC West teams. Because we all know that that's the most important 6 games on the schedule every year. All right, I'm out. Seahawks coming up.